Hey guys, so I'm making yet another manga unboxing. Yes, I know, 3 days in a row. And I'm glad my parents is letting me buy this much manga. I'm really glad because I love buying manga. Manga is epic. Manga is the best. And this time it's not Soul Eater if you're wondering that. I'm a Soul Eater fanboy, but I still want to get other manga series besides Soul Eater. So I'm going to show you what it is in a quick second. Maybe I should start opening the box before I make the video. That's what I'm thinking about doing. I know I said I like doing unboxings, but I might just open the package before the video starts. Wait. God. It's only one manga this time. This packet. Oh. If you're wondering why I sound so bored, it's because it's a series that I really don't know anything about. The only thing I do know is it's like about survival and stuff like that, like teenagers on an island. So it's Page of Eden. Now it looks pretty cool, and that's why I got it. I haven't finished reading my Soul Eater volumes or even my Blue Exorcist volume, so it's gonna be a while before I read this. And it's so awesome. And I heard that this series has a lot of answers. I took a peek at this volume at Barnes Nobles. In the first few pages, it showed naked woman. I want to see if I can show it to you. Don't worry, it's nothing graphic, so it's not going to get deleted off of YouTube. Need a good. Here it is. Yeah. I'm not a pervert, but it's funny. I love fan series. Not a pervert, but it can be fun sometimes. So, anyway, that's all I have to say. Like I said before, I really don't know anything about the series, so I don't sound excited. That's why. So, anyway, this is gonna be my next manga unboxing will be next week, cause that's when I get the final volume that I ordered. I'm sorry I sound bored, but I already told you. So this is Swagger Level 9001 signing out, and please watch my videos.